late night hike. Up here getting shit together. You know what I'm saying? Work in progress. Floats. A little something. Nothing over. I'm putting it together. Damn near done. Gotta do the last little touch-ups. Sneak peeks. 5-3 swap. In the process. LT swap in the process. Yeah, man, I got all kind of shit, man. Yeah, finna throw that into something in the process. Everything in the process right now. Short bed, LT. Y'all know how I'm coming anyway. You know what I'm saying? Still working on it though, but y'all see what it is, man. I'm still at this shit, man. Bag full of parts. It's that grill. Can't really see it though. YouTube Koomlaude. Still at it. LTs, LSs, dashes, whatever you need. 817-797-8355. For y'all that don't know. Yeah, whatever motor y'all looking for, I got 'em.